Good day everyone! Today, I'll introduce Crack Alert, Structural Integrity Monitor, an innovative tool addressing one of the biggest challenges in building maintenance, ensuring structural safety and stability. I am Rubijin Villanueva, together with Jasper Vincibert Padilla, Hannah Shariz Cordero, Krisha May Guerra, and John Michael Panopio. Crack Alert simplifies the monitoring of structural cracks caused by aging and environmental stresses. By analyzing factors like width, severity, and compliance with standards, it offers hazard assessments, tailored recommendations, and proactive tracking. This efficient, accessible tool integrates engineering and programming to promote preventative care and ensure long-term structural safety.
As for the objectives, the program assesses the structural integrity of buildings by focusing on cracks, which indicate damage. Users can gather detailed information about cracks, including their characteristics and causes, while ensuring compliance with durability standards through material ratio inputs. Each crack is assessed for severity and hazard, guiding necessary interventions. Users can also log analysis results for ongoing monitoring, aiding in early risk identification and enhancing long-term infrastructure safety.
To start with its functions, Crack Alert specializes in crack detection and analysis, gathering details about each crack. It then carries out severity and hazard evaluation, classifying cracks by determining the risk they pose to the structure. It also performs a material compliance check, comparing user-provided material ratios against industry standards. And, based on each analysis, it offers proactive maintenance recommendations, advising users whether immediate repair is required or ongoing monitoring is sufficient. Lastly, the system excels in result logging, saving all findings for future use.
First significance is proactive risk management. Detects risk early, preventing damage and costly repairs. Second is data-driven insights. Analyzes cracks for precise hazard assessments and tailored repairs. Third is long-term preservation. Track cracks over time to ensure structure durability. Last is safety standards. Ensures compliance and supports sustainable maintenance.
Now, let's move on to the output. The Crack Alert is a program designed to analyze structural cracks, evaluate their severity, and check compliance of construction materials with standard guidelines. User input details such as crack width, depth, strength, spacing, location, and cost, such as natural disaster, construction fault, or man-made. If natural disaster is selected, subcategories are provided for precision. The program assesses crack severity based on width, which will be computed by the program. If less than 0.3 millimeters, it is minor and no action needed. If it's between 0.3 millimeters to 1 millimeters, it is moderate and requires monitoring. If it's between 1 millimeter to 3.2 millimeters, it is severe and repair is recommended. Lastly, if it's greater than 3.2 millimeters, the severity is critical and immediate repair is required. Results are summarized, including severity, hazard level, and recommended actions, with date and time lagged for record keeping. For construction material compliance, the program displays standard ratios: cement 1.0, sand 3.0, aggregate 2.5, water 0.5 as a reference. Users input the materials used: PPC or OPC for cement pipe, cork or fine for aggregate pipe, and duration. The program identifies deviations from their standards and provides recommendations to ensure structural durability. For example, non-compliance in cement pipe or aggregate pipe will trigger corrective suggestions. Finally, user can choose to save the analysis in a log file. Lastly, the program also allows restarting the analysis for additional cracks or exiting after completion.